In this video, I will show you how to add channels to favorites on Firestick. So in order to add your channels to your favorites, what you can do is you can add live TV channels to that. Go over to your Firestick home screen, then open the live TV tab. You can find it on the top menu next to home or find. Then launch the channel guide and press the menu button on your remote to open the channel guide. Now, find the channel that you want to favorite, and then a menu will pop up with those buttons for those options again. So on the options, select the Add to Favorites option and confirm by pressing the Select or OK option. Next thing we need to do is we have the second method. So if you have app-based channels like Hulu, Sling, or Netflix, you can go to the apps on the home screen and then hold the home button and choose apps. So you can use your remote to highlight the app you want and then click on the menu button and click on the move to front or add to favorites option in order to add this to your favorites. So you can also move it on the top row for easiest access if you would want to. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.